How do you replace the door rubber on a Westinghouse wall oven, model number PDVJ792?
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. It appeasr that back of the seal is indeed a pressure fit, pushing into the retaining channel. You will want to find the center of the gasket and start at the middle of the oven at the top so the seal can be stretched to fit, if necessary.
Hi, thank you for the replay. It definitely is a tight fit, particularly around the corners. Is it just a matter of pushing the gasket into the retaining channel with your fingers, or do you need to use a tool or lubricant? Thank you, John.
You could use a bit of lubricant, but use it sparingly. I would try water first. Don't use any tool, You risk damaging the seal.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.